the time is because of this being part of the World War, the Second World War. And at the same time, we already reach there to these people who have experienced all these hardships just to bring us comfort. If not for that World War po, wala po tayo ngayon. Hindi po tayo nakakapag-usap dito. Wala po tayong TV shows, wala tayong cellphones, everything. I can speak in confidence right now po because of this. Kasi our script is very much period correct po. We have consultants, we have people who tell us stories about the Second World War. Napakahirap po na pinagdaanan ng mga people. Parang first few years ko po sa showbiz, I was just doing the job for me, basically. For fame, siguro sumama na lang po ng content and gano'n. Then right after po, I've been doing a couple of teleseries. And then, for some reason, mga pa-extra, may roles na po parang the eureka moment po was really one to one. Iba na yung ligaya na nabibigay sa akin sa and after that project, that's when I decided, this is my calling. I think po, yun nga po, lagi kong sinasabi yan kapag tinatanong ko pa any advice to youth po kung gusto nilang pasukin or don't overdo it. Don't overdo it. Just speak from the heart and be yourself. That's it.
Just speak to your advice
ko sa sarili ko noon, keep on moving forward. It's not going to be an easy way. There will be hardships and times that you feel that you want to give up. Pero sa advice ko sa sarili ko ngayon, matuto kang alagaan ng iyong sarili. At minsan hindi naman din kasalanan yung isipin mo din kahit pa paano yung sarili mo. To my future self, ikaw ang magpayo sa akin kasi hindi ko pa alam.
That's right, Miniland is a strictly no-shoe zone, so watch your step. I start off with the leaf blower, and then I switch over to a vacuum. It's this combination of does a good job between the legs instead, and it keeps from accidentally vacuuming up into
Ang nasagli. Nag-record ako. Hindi asin. Muyo mo ni. Asin. Yan ako lang yan. Yan asin. Bye guys, I need to go.